Well, it's January, and me as a marketer has a very important task to be done. I have to provide the 12-month marketing plan for the coming year. Let's see how I do it with 4 prompts using Gemini. So we're going to use 4 prompts in Gemini Pro, the best AI that can handle deep analysis, deep researches. One of them is the audit. It is going to audit our reports for the last 12 months of 2025 and give us some reports. The second one is the spy. I call it the spy. It will analyze a competitor's campaign video and give us insights and counterattack strategies to design and create a video campaign. The other one is a deep research. It will forecast the stats of our industry. Our demo industry is going to project management in 2026. And the last but not least is a prompt that is going to create a board-ready strategy draft for me, and I can then edit it and convert it, for example, to slides and show it to our board of directors or CEOs and CMO. Let's start with the first one. I give the chief strategy officer role. It is the best one when you want to do strategic tasks in Gemini. And I will upload our files. These are the report files, our different months in 2025, and some of the customer tickets we have. Uh, as well as our brand identity, it's going to be used in our next prompt. But I will upload all of them in 2 messages because there's a limit of 10 files in each message. And what I'm going to ask is churn correlation, silent complaint, and efficiency gap. It will find problems in our reports and give us some ideas about how to handle it in the coming months. Let's start with the first prompt. So first, I will upload the 10 first months of the year. Okay, it says it has um, some analysis and some insights from the first 10 one, but we don't want it now. You have to upload the remaining files. November, December, customer support ticket, and brand voice guideline. We don't need these 3 ones yet. These are for the next prompt. Well, as you can see, it says I have analyzed the cross-section of your 2025 performance reports from January to December, and these are the analysis results. Churn correlation, the update track. In our files, we have, let me show you one of the files. These are the reports demos I created. Since they say the executive summary, we kicked off the year with solid stability, the key metrics, the department updates. We have all of them in all of the years, all of the months of 2025. And Gemini has analyzed all of them. And this is the result we're going to see when we upload all of them. The churn correlation, the trigger. In June, we released the Dashboard 2, which introduced simplified navigation and removed the advanced toolbar. This is something, for example, we released in months of June, and the churn remained stable, but in July, churn nearly doubled to 4.5. So, and churn hit a critical 6.2, and strategic failure. We can say that the advanced toolbar removed was primary churn driver. Yet it took 3 months until September to deploy the classic mood fix. You see, it's understanding what happened in all of these months, and it's combining all of the reports into one insight. What is the silent complaint? This is something that we receive from the ticket reports, customer ticket reports. we can say evidence report. The executive summaries from January to September never mentioned speed or performance issue. They focus entirely on features, for example, API. But the smoking gun, it was until October report that products suddenly reported optimizing load speed for new dashboard as key trust building measure. And in the CSV I uploaded, the support logs revealed a page load timeout and dashboard lag were persistent tickets through Q2 and Q3. We can say that there are more tickets in that months about these problems. And the efficiency gap was the August panic spend. We spent too much in August, and CPA skyrocketed to $70, the highest of the year, and churn was peaked at 6.2. We can say August was kind of our worst months in 2025. And this is a recommendation. It gives us a recommendation. We are currently reacting, not leading. Our report structure filters out boring problems like latency until they become crisis. Immediate next step. It's suggesting a next step for our marketing team. Would you like me to draft a KPI watch list template? We don't need it now. We are going to upload more files and more reports and get the final recommendation. Let's go to the next prompt. It's I told you it's kind of an spy. It's going to analyze a video of our competitor and give us a hook, emotion, and analyze it and give us a counter attack. It will propose 3 video concepts for our brand that directly attack the weakness. You see, we have our brand here because we uploaded the brand voice of tone in the last prompt. We will continue the chat with this prompt. And this is the video I found from monday.com on YouTube. I will paste the address here. Gemini is perfect at analyzing the videos, especially on YouTube. So we see here's the breakdown of the monday.com sidekick ads, analyzed from creator directors, and don't forget the role. It was a creative director. We can analyze videos and find solutions and give ideas about them. It's somehow accurately analyze the video. The timestamp is not that correct, but if you watch the video, I will put the link in the description. You see that the analysis is somehow accurate, and the counter-attack strategy is very important here. You see, it finds the weakness in their campaign. The weakness is that their ads are over-dramatized and high-gloss. They feel like a production, not a tool. To win, we must attack the gap between their musical fantasy and the gritty reality of actual project management. These are 3 concepts put here for our next video, and this is the script outline for the first one, the silent assassin concept. If you want, you can get the outline and narration for other ideas as well. It depends on which one you choose for your competitor. So you can see we analyze a competitor and find an idea for our own campaign. This is something you can do, for example, pasting the screenshot of the prices landing page of your competitor, pasting the blog post, analyzing their keywords in Ahrefs or SEMrush, and uploading the data to Gemini to analyze it and give you insight about that. Let's go for the next prompt. This one does a deep research to find the forecast for the coming year, and it uses pestle analysis style. I can suggest you to watch some videos about it. It's a very important analysis for marketing, and it will give us the output is going to be list the top strategic threats for 2026. For each threat, provide a strategic pivot we should make to turn it into an opportunity. I have done it before in another chat here because it takes time, and I exported it as as Google Docs and download it as a PDF because Gemini understands PDF better in my experience. And I will upload it here. But we go to the 4th prompt. It's going to be it will give us a strategy draft. Act as a senior marketing manager using the insights we have generated in this chat, like the audit, the competitor analysis, the forecast, added in this message. I will upload it in this prompt. Draft a 2026 Q1 strategic roadmap. And what is this roadmap is going to be saying? Executive summary, One paragraph summary for the CEO, the diagnosis are key challenges from 2025, the 2025 opportunity, the market trends we will ride, the battle plan, and KPIs and targets. And tone should be professional, direct, and data backed with no fluff. I will paste it here and upload my report PDF. Well, as you can see, we have a strategic roadmap here to CEO, from senior marketing manager, date, and it has everything we need here. The executive summary, it has a summary of what we have done and what we should do in the coming quarter. The diagnosis is 2025 post-mortem. Our 2025 performance exposed three critical strategic vulnerabilities that we must not repeat. See, it had found the problems we had, the crisis we had, and what we should do in the coming year to somehow do better in the 2026. And there are some opportunities here, something that we found in our deep research and the battle plan, Q1 campaigns. We have 3 campaigns suggested here. We can talk about them in the meeting we have in our CEO, and KPIs and targets. Net revenue retention, churn rate, customer acquisition costs, sentiment score. Increased, for example, it says increase positive mentions of reliability and speed by 15% in quarter support log analysis. As you can see, we use 4 prompts to gather data, to analyze them using Gemini, to analyze our competitor, and to design a roadmap for the coming months of 2026. I can say it's not perfect. It gives you some drafts. It gives you some ideas to what to do more. You can't only stop in 4 prompts. You can expand each of them. I will put the link of the prompts in the description, but you can expand them based on your industry, your company, and ask as more as possible from Gemini if it needs more data. In this video, I only uploaded some demo data and some demo tickets, but you can ask Gemini if it needs more data from your CRM, from your marketing reports, and anything to give you more deep, detailed strategic roadmap. This is one of the videos in the series of AI in marketing. I have a playlist of them. I suggest you to watch them to learn how to use AI, specifically Gemini, to create marketing contents, marketing topic clusters, SEO. Anything you need for marketing is put in that playlist. I hope you watch and learn from them. Thank you again for watching the video. See you soon.